Which side?
That side.
Good morning. Yeah, we now here in another episode. We now preparation for our pasta here. Pasta. Yeah. So we make a preparation here. All the boys here. Chosese, Koroi, Choseya, and their big bro here, Messi. And a new guy here from the airport. Okay. Pasta. You have to little say something here. Hey, don't say something. Hey, come here. Huh? Come here. Say something. Say something.
Bula.
Yeah. Say something. This is our pasta. Wedding tomorrow.
Total pasta.
Yeah. Huh?
Total pasta.
Total pasta.
On top there, top left.
So here we're making a preparation, big preparation here. The Bonolebu gang will come coming soon.
Soon and very soon.
Yeah, see?
Explain the introduction of
Now Taltala
we're
from far away from Bonolebu.
she should be
See? Now Taltala is from Telebu. Bonolebu. And this is his first. Hey, what's the English name? Leslie? Yeah.
coming soon.
Oh, coming far away from Motoriki.
Coming soon on NBC.
Yeah.
This is the first time for him to come for his first pasta lifetime.
Yeah.
Like a first Leslie.
Okay. Hey, Uncle Solo is angry there.
The first time he got wedding. So today the boys target.
So how many times?
First wedding for his first Leslie. For that the boys target today is the girl from Nollywood. Tal. Open house boy.
Salah busuk ada balik kirim tali.
Many. It's 12 o'clock. You have to pray. It's the middle of the day. Midday prayer.
Where go?
Okay.
It's made a long night.
So we can see our Watawa here. Watawa, can you say hi?
Hi everyone.
Who are you?
I'm the one.
Who are you? Yeah, all the boys here.
Samson. Nobody get cut, only Samson.
Hey, Watawa, come here. I want to interview you.
Okay.
Who are you?
I'm the one from the other planet.
Come here.
Who are you? I'm who?
What you guys doing here?
We got some preparation for wedding tomorrow. So we are happy to be here.
What happened tomorrow? What happened?
Now wedding for Taltala. They have a wedding tomorrow.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. And you?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, right.
And you?
And you?
Oh no, I'm very well.
I see you there. Too Slovakian.
Yeah, come back next week.
Where?
In Suba.
Suba?
Yeah.
Oh, good, Suba.
Good. We all girls from Fiji. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
What about from desert?
Doesn't it?
Yeah,
Mikhail.
Oh. This gang here doing every job here. See?
Good.
Yeah. They lead us.
And mix.
Huh? Mix powder last night.
Oh.
Yeah. Mo. This is my Momo. Momo, where are you from, Momo?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica.
Oh, nice, nice,
Good.
nice, nice.
Not Tibo. Good. Tibo. Tibo.
And what? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that one good. Very good, very good. Yeah.
Momo, nice Timbo.
More Timbo there. This is. Hey, my friend, you powder last night. Powder.
Oh, very good pot, man.
Eh, where?
From one bush.
Bush. With Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica no good.
Oh, me don't. This is oldies, yeah.
Nasawa.
Ah,
Nasawa.
yeah.
Jim bro. Michael.
From where?
Oh, from
Yeah, this is the lobo. Big lobo. We're gonna make lobo here. Yeah. We're gonna make a big lobo here. We can talk to our Turalebu here. Turalebu.
Who you?
Say hi. Don't say
Hello.
yeah.
Hello.
Yes, uncle there.
Bula. Uncle Joe.
What's this?
That's a pong.
What?
Pong.
Ah!
Pong pulau.
Huh?
Yeah, pong pulau.
Pong Palau.
Pong pulau.
Okay. Who coming?
Huh?
Who coming?
Dia.
They are from where? From Noleb.
From Nengai.
So people, we are going now to get the cow from Madame village, and the rest of the boys are in Ashesar doing the terror things with the peeling terrors and get ready the thing for the stuff for the wedding for tomorrow, food stuff. So join us to see the cow in Madame. Asia, and Tavali city from the second village of Nawich, Yanuda, up there. We're gonna take the car from there, then come down straight to Nasisar, where the wedding will be happening. See you soon. Now, we are now going to get the cow bit. How's it, boy?
I'm gonna see the cow. It's right there. Cow. Yeah. It's a broken leg. Some question mark
You're gonna you will be the cow and then you take it back. This is the guy that take care of the cow. Brother Sam from Netherlands. Hey brother, you take care of the cow. Easy. Sorry people, we didn't make it to Nasara.
Yeah.
This is where the police is gonna pick the cow from. What? Your head, very pain.
After 10 years.
That's the cow. That's the balls cow.
Balls cow.
Heavy.
Very heavy.
Yeah. Now the crew should be changed.
Yeah. Now the crew will be choose another one.
We're going down people to the village. We're going down to the village. Now it's the village and then we see you there. Where are we going to, boy? Going back to Nasar. We have was it?
Why? Very heavy. Now I fit it.
Just yawn over there.
See him? Very tight. See, the night is coming. And the cold.
Dinner time, eh?
Right now.
What we have? Put it down to show.
Wait.
Stew. Bon makan.
Stew kau? Batata.
What
Carrot.
else?
Kena kesam.
Stew, eh?
Right now, my stomach 100% empty.
Sing another room.
Baik kan?
Now, it's
This is the again.
what's the problem?
Getting the knife sharp.
Yeah, just open knife for.
This is the logo for tomorrow. Thank you, Brother John. Wait, you should be there. Brother John here. Man, is the wild papa here. How you doing, brother? This is the taking care of the everything. Eh?
Taking care of everything.
Master of this is the Cabo Barrel sponsor. Didn't take the sponsor seriously, this guy.
No.
You two walk from the Cabo Barrel to the home. Boy, you explain what we are doing right now.
Oh, we are cutting the ribbons
The ribbons for the what?
for the dish tomorrow.
Eh?
Yeah.
You gonna cook what dish tomorrow?
Oh, plenty dish.
Eh?
Yeah.
Apa dish, lower dish?
Upper dish, lower dish, side dish.
Suki gang over here. Brother to swell na
Top up.
peksha. Take out the body, eh?
Okay.
Eh, brother?
Now we cut the bones
Yeah.
to make one pot so you can eat.
Miko stam lala.
Ya, makan tuh, makan tuh.
Just a second. That's the other gang. Now we finish for the cow thing. Eh? We already take away the bone. Eh?
We're waiting for more to bring
The what?
samurai.
The bag.
Yo, masih mama lu cukup.
Bring the bag. Eh?
Yeah, meal mix bag, so 25 kg.
To
80
pack the.
Huh?
To pack the what?
Pack the bones. Yeah,
Good.
the meat bones.
Yeah.
Ada taruh ngurus.
Wait. End of the day, little bit mix, eh? Bula people. Yeah, the boys, all the boys. Yeah. Explain.
Yeah, about to do some job.
Huh?
We are here help some for the ship, for
Oi.
the funeral,
For the wedding,
for the wedding, man.
Pindah lu nggak rendah sama.
Total sama. We have some small job. I like this.
Guys, yeah. How's it, uncle? How's it? Huh?
It's all good in
Huh?
my kitchen here.
Yeah.
We're just cooking some fried crocodile, yeah.
You boy. How's it? Who fuck your ass, bro? Foto and pen ya. This is para the headship of the wedding. Para Uncle, what did you do? What did you do? You lot that thing already cooked. You lots of fish. You do. Time to mix, uncle.
Mondo.
Yeah, time to mix.
Time to mix.
Yeah.
When you bonus.
Yeah.
It's so rap nih ya.
Mix it, baby.
Baby mix.
That's it.
Selalu belum.
Dia lebih muat.
Iyo.
Set. Taki. Bola.
So rap nih ya di island. Fiji di island. Welcome to Fiji.
Nih. Ori. Is berada.
Oh, bulu binaka.
How is it?
Oh, good.
Tastes good. This is the kitchen crew. Yeah. Kitchen crew. Yeah. Who's there?
This is the club.
Huh? Klom. Paswa. Oh. Boy, show ya mi.
Yeah,
Paswa. Shanghai. Time to rest.
Jelmar now.
Huh?
Time to Jelmar.
Hey brother. How is it? Grog, eh? Grog time. Get ready for the to start. Yes, when is the Lobo gonna start?
The Lobo,
Yeah.
we're gonna
Start
on Friday 6 o'clock
in the morning.
in the morning,
Okay.
and we're gonna dig it 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Lunch 1 o'clock. Grog 1:30. Umru 3 o'clock.
Makan dua.
Dance
Dance.
11 o'clock.
Midnight.
Midnight. Sleep 11.
Ready to cook the sushi. Okay. This guy already fried the what? Fried fish. And now we are about to go the sui for morning. This is the pot. Tuh. May kata-kata rin anak ko. Oi, Polo, ambil. Polo. May kata-kata rin anak ko. Sit. Okay. Yeah, time for the sui, people. Time for the sui. See you, baby. Hey boy, you wash it nicely. Wash it nicely. Take away the evil spirit. Bring the salt. Go sweep for the money. Huh? Eh? Sweep for money. Sunday me the lot. This is the sweet people.
If you cook it now,
Yeah.
tomorrow, and then we finish it.
Oh yeah.
We finish
Yeah.
it tomorrow, right?
Yeah, because we didn't have more ice, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Other
this,
side.
yeah. We're just gonna make it smooth a little bit, then we leave it for tomorrow. Yeah. Just take away the water inside the.
Take away the blood.
The blood. Ready for the selungur nih.
Wait, tanda sweet to me ka?
Siya. Hey, kurang. What's the chicken for? What's the chicken for? Wait.
This is for curry, my friend.
Curry.
Want some curry?
Chicken curry. How is it, bud?
Good. Feel great now, right?
The what? Wait. Because we didn't have enough water. Yeah. As soon as the water on from the tap, we store water.
Store water.
Yeah.
Use water wisely, okay? Because the water from the
Yeah.
from the other
Overload?
Overload.
Sometimes it's broke, sometimes it didn't broke.
Yeah, but today with the wedding of Taltala, mana? From the good.
Yeah. See the sweet?
We add the salt to take away the evil.
Wait, that's you put the salt.
It's good.
You should throw yourself the salt first before you put the
Put to the fish.
throw to the ice.
Put on tomorrow,
Yeah.
maybe 3 to 4 o'clock.
On Sunday.
Sunday morning.
Yan na siyang close. Keep the hot to warm. Keep the hot to warm.
Tapos kami reduce it. Keep the hot warm, kami reduce.
Yeah. Recycle reuse, eh?
Use what? Water.
Suki tempera.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
more style.
That's the more one.
More one,
This one with the one, right? What this is? What is this? Yung bale. Yeah. Yeah, Master Nico, helping the cutting. Thank you, Master Nico. Abola ka Time to make the.
This is the boom.
Shikuro. Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah.
After grog,
Yeah.
after dance, after everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we
You
give
will
them.
come back to Sui.
Those who gonna come late, they're gonna eat the pot. Those who come first, eat the food.
Yeah.
Those who came back late,
Yeah.
eat the pot.
Pack the thing.
Okay, this is second move.
Oh, he's the. Yeah. This is the how you do it.
This is how you
Take the. This is the coconut thing. Yeah. This is like a gas. When it's fried. Eh? When it's fried.
Lelitan lagi, lelitan lagi.
Yeah.
Lelitan lagi.
Mana?
This is the angle from the
Huh?
This is the top from the Honolulu. Ote. Glory.
How is it? How is that fish?
Very good.
Huh?
Very good.
This is it, people.
Hey, open the pot. Open the pot.
Arengan. Look. When the thing that we put inside the thing that we put. See that one? Come on, let's set This is example.
Example ko nga.
Example.
Sabi na pagkatsul.
Oh, brother. Hey. Where you been to? Where you been to?
Girl side.
You girl side.
No.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. Girl side nggak mistal.
Miss.
Yeah, people. That should you know it. People should be know during wedding season like this in Pigeon. There's one team the girl side there.
Yeah.
One team the.
Which side?
Explain.
No. You just explain and just
So tomorrow is gonna big day. Yeah?
big.
It's like a amita.
It's like a hot dog.
The boys will the girl. So we start target tomorrow. Uno liupe.
No, that's I think.
Okay, brother.
Okay.
Stay time, eh? Stay time, people. Look. It started to be Buddha.
Yeah.
Huh? What you can say about the sea, Uncle?
See,
Yeah?
just 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
Eh, kakak ko ng baju.
Yeah. This if you want to taste it, wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow you can see the real taste of Visunita.
Eh, tambien din lang.
Real taste of the ribs. Cow ribs.
Thank you, Uncle.
Kerlimbula, people. Kerlimbula. Hah? Iya. It's a wedding day. Party day. We are going. We got short a bit with the firewood. We're going into the forest to look for some firewood, and then back to the. Back to the party mode. Sini ya, there is the boys up there. Already do the love this month. The love is already set. So we're just gonna go and get some firewood for the cooking, for the food for today. So yeah, this is our gang. Anda boy. Anda berada.
Morning, all of you.
Kau tu bente berliling. Why you angry boy? Why? Meron. Who touched you yesterday? Who touched? This is the effect of the last night. Too much grog, eh?
No.
Tabali here need a shower. Water bottle. Mohon rumula. Pinba kacik-kacik iku, ngaron cuma mantap. Time to go, people. This man.
Ya, uno ni muli.
How's it, brother?
Oh. Cut the chicken now.
Yeah.
What this thing? Curry chicken. Curry. No, what?
Chicken sauce.
Chicken sauce.
Don't listen to that one. That one very.
This one did from Boa.
Yeah.
He eat the thing. He lost their mind.
Gone forever.
Gone forever. We fix it.
Yeah. Bo gone forever mutir gi. That's the people that came the law. Yeah.
Yo, bari, pasik, pasani. Itu lagi. Right, lebih lesu. Alright, very, mate.
Kucing siapa? Merah kita kalisten.
Itu lu beri macam saya suka ya. Gur, jalan kemana? Abi. Dua rotul hop.
Anak. Anak ini.
Alright. Timekeeper. Kesolah. Kemerau.
Dua.
Dua anak anak. Weh, kesolah. Iyo, iko sa klase.
Time for some tea. Time for some tea. Right. Breakfast, eh?
This is we're having breakfast now. It's 11 o'clock.
Blue friends, come and have something.
Yeah. Where? Which place now? When?
Nasara.com.
Please wedding.
Yeah, place wedding. Please. Yeah. Just finish the what?
The logo and
The logo. Yeah, the food.
Collect food.
Yeah.
Now you will see the wedding party.
Now they will see the Kanstanganis. They'll see the part today.
Okay.
The breaking down of bounds. Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay. This is what happened. Red tea, eh? How's it, Taji?
Hello.
Good, eh?
Hello, buddy. Good, eh?
Huh?
The color desert.
Uncle.
This is Joseph from Kalahari Desert. First time in Fiji.
This one. Oh, leg boat boy. Why you did?
This boy no good.
This one no good.
Chef,
Yeah.
coming late.
Atas
He
tak.
come.
You pun lah didn't.
No good this kind of chef. This one here nothing. Nothing. Nothing to do.
Tempo cooking. What's this?
Explain with brother.
Steak, my friend.
Steak. Oh, yeah. What's the sauce called? Sisbin.
It's called TSY.
TSY what?
This is the black sauce, eh?
Tsunami sauce.
Yeah, it's used to make the lamb color. Garlic, okay, awak.
Harap boy, harap.
Berdaun sendiri tu semua.
Musuh ka? Tara, iba musuh mo ka ba?
Welen. I learned from the village. Boy, this is the garlic, eh? It mixed with the beef. Make it,
Make it malubos.
yeah. So that the girl from Bologna eat it.
Yeah.
Should be good. Thank you, boy. Thank you very much.
See you soon.
Okay.
But it's 10:30 now. It's time to take out the law.
Okay, kamu ini apa?
Nggak dalam ako?
Tasha.
Laku. Duduk lama.
Karawan abu. Thank you brother.
Ya, vamos mata.
So now you see the lamo. Hey, may, kay down one on you body. Time to sleep, you go around.
Wakan dua, mana coco?
First load. See that there, yeah. First load, eh? It's good, people. Finish, eh?
Finish him.
Last job of the day.
After the only job is now is drink and dance. The job that
Enjoy the wedding, eh?
enjoy the wedding.
Uncle, how's it?
And this girl's part side.
This one.
Yeah.
Day boy. That's the head of the cow. It's boots. And the head of the pig. Yeah. So that's it. Kana man nan taro? Ha?
Fresh.
Fresh, eh? Didn't guess or anything, eh?
Guys,
Uta. On time. Cow. That's the pig cow there. Cow. You eat the cow. People. Huh? Chill. Nalop sa kailangan kita siguro ka. Nalop. Okay, people. It's time for us to go and have fun. The rest of the work is helping for the cooking. Me just go and have bath, have a nap a little bit, then came back and see you there when the wedding party starts. There was a band will be gonna be in the wedding party today. It's the Wangaki Nasiru, the old band, the band that in our village, Masi, and those kids. They're gonna sing in the wedding party. So let's see when we will be back. Goodbye.
Hello, good morning. We here.
This is my friend.
Yeah.
Nasa call a friend.
It's a wedding day. We cooking here. Everything is, as you can see here. All the boys here. Say hi, hi.
Hi, hello.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah. This is my darling, yeah. This is chef, yeah. Say hi, 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 hi.
I love you.
Okay. Wait. Slowly. Orto sabi pa. Mas pa. Say hi, yeah. Okay. What? Tupsi.
As you can see, that's doing like this.
Huh?
As you can see, guys, that's doing like this.
Do the mix.
Yeah, mix.
Okay. Thank you, Konongwane. Thank you, Konongwane. Who's this, Konongwane? Who's this?
Double tap, boom.
Aset Konongwane.
All good.
Hi people. And it's 5 o'clock now. I'm heading back to the wedding place. I just finished my sleep. Because last night we take over, what do you call? All night we were still awake until 3 o'clock. We just eating last night. We just cooking the beef because we didn't have enough ice to keep the beef until the morning. So I went to take the rest of the time that I lose for sleepy. And now we are heading back to the wedding. It's now the Vundi times. I think the bush is already at the Vundi now. So let's see. Damn. See you in a second, people. The bus is passing up the drop right now. How is it? Huh? This is the guy that get ready. The pastor. God bless the family. God bless the family. New family. All the boys. Ini ada uncle. Kita pulau dia boleh ke? Pulau dia boleh dia apa?